The big problem that we're able to solve with Cycle really is going into our busy peak season. We're able to address the drastic rises and changes that have been coming with the industry and with the commerce industry. A lot of things since the pandemic started has moved to more of an online at-home delivery model. So typically what we would see in our peak periods around the fourth quarter, around the holiday season, is a lot of bulk replenishments to store. And now we're seeing that trend move to a lot of end consumer, which means a lot more packages, which means a lot more orders of smaller volume that have to be done. This is where Cycle helps us. It gets us the ability to ramp up that end consumer, that individual small order peak, while I'm still doing my other bulk product in the background, and able to make sure that we're satisfying our customers.